So what is the radius of the circle defined by x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus y is equal to 7? Okay, so the first step, guys, in solving this problem is that we should reduce this equation in the form of x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. Okay, so this is an equation for the circle wherein h and k are the coordinates of the center of the circle and r is the radius. Okay, so we need to convert this equation into this form in order to get or compute for the radius. Okay, so h and k are the coordinates of the center, hk. Okay, if this is your Cartesian plane, and let's say this is the radius of that circle. Okay, so this will be the graphical representation of this form. Okay, so basically this is formed using the Pythagorean theorem. Those are discussed in our previous videos. So pagsamahin natin yung mga common variables so that we can complete square, because this expression here is a complete square. So x squared, so this is the original equation, x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus y, 8y equals 7. Okay, so x squared minus 4x. So in order for this to be complete square, we need to add a certain constant. Okay, so leave tayo ng space dito. Then we have here plus y squared, and we have here plus 8y. Then also leave a space for that constant, and that is equal to 7. Okay. Okay, so in order for this to be complete square, as we have discussed before, kailangan lang natin mag-add ng, so just copy this, i-square natin yon, then i-divide natin sa 4. Okay? So this is how you get that constant na i-add natin. So dito naman, you have here 8 squared, divide natin sa constant 4. Okay, 4 here is a constant, then yung i-square natin is nakadepende yon sa coefficient ng first degree variable. So whatever na in-add natin dito should also be added on the right side of the equation to make this balance. Okay, so this is 4 squared, so that is 16, so plus 16 over 4, plus, eto naman, that is 64 over 4. So whatever constant you add on the left side should be also added on the right side. Now this is a complete square na. So we have here x squared minus 4x plus, eto, 16 over 4, that is 4. So lagyan natin ng parenthesis, plus y squared plus 8y plus, eto guys, 64 divided by 4. That is 16. Then you have here 7 plus 4 plus 16. Okay, so ito can be expressed now in complete square. Okay, so this is x. Okay, so ito guys, this is minus here, so this is minus also. Okay, so ito, what is the square root of 4? That is 2. Okay, so this is 2 here. So this is now squared. So plus here, this is plus, so y plus. So what is the square root of 16? That is 4. So this is plus 4. Okay, so squared yon. So equals 7 plus 4 plus 16. So that is 27. Okay. So from this form, r is naka-square siya. So therefore, we should express this in terms of squared. So x minus 2, you have here squared plus y plus 4 squared. And you have here, so 27 here should be expressed in r squared. So r squared, okay, is equal to 27. So r is the square root of 27, and that is equal to 3, the square root of 3. Okay, so this is now the radius of this circle.